We all know how difficult life can be when living away from home. Strict visa rules, tiring odd jobs, and the emotional struggle of being far away from family. Many Indians abroad face these challenges daily. But every once in a while, we hear a story that reminds us that life abroad can also turn dreams into reality. It can also take you from rags to riches. An Indian immigrant who once earned just $6 an hour as a cab dispatcher in San Francisco now makes over $2 million a year. This is the inspiring real-life case of Punjab-born Money Singh, a college dropout who turned his struggles into success. Singh moved to the United States in 2006 at the age of 19. Alone, homesick and broke, he found it hard to adjust in his new life. His college credits from India didn't transfer and his education came to a sudden stop. But instead of giving up and returning home, he decided to start working. He took a job as a dispatcher at his uncle's company, earning just $6 an hour. Over the years, Singh learned every aspect of taxi business, first as a driver, then as an owner of multiple cabs. Eventually, he launched his own company, Drivers Network, which grew to 80 CS Platform Solutions, a marketing and advertising service for independent drivers. That company alone now brings over $1 million in annual revenue. But Singh's journey didn't stop there. In 2019, he invested $75,000 of his savings into a completely new venture, opening a barber shop in California called The Dandies, inspired by his own mother's salon back in Punjab. It was a bold move for some with no experience in that industry. Then came the pandemic. The business shut down, his partner left, and Singh was buried in debt. He sold his stocks, borrowed money, and lived on $1 meal just to keep him going. Instead of quitting, he joined a barber school himself and rebuilt the business. Today, Dandies has 3 outlets, employs 25 people, and generates more than $1 million every year. Combined with his first company, Singh's now make over $2 million annually. His story proves that persistence, sacrifice, and hard work can still turn immigrants' dream into reality.